Question 9. What is the slope of the line passing through the points 2 and 2 and negative 4 and 6? A. 2 over 3, B. negative 3 over 2, C. 2, and D. negative 2 over 3. To find the slope of the line passing through points x1 with coordinate of x1 and y1 and x2 and y2, we use this formula. Change in y over change in x. It means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In our problem, in our questions, y2 is 6, y1 is 2, x2 is negative 4, and x1 is positive 2. So slope will be equal to 6 minus 2 over minus 4 minus 2. 6 minus 2 will be 4, and minus 4 minus 2 will be minus 6. We can write down 4 as 2 times 2 and 6 as 2 times 3. And then we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. And the final answer of the slope will be negative 2 over 3. So D is the correct answer.